Hi guys, this is Bryce here with Bazinga Lawn Care coming at you today with my mini-me Hayden. We're going to do a little video on how to change out the trailer lock assembly and latch assembly. So here's a little video of what we're going to do. We're going to change this assembly out. Went to a locksmith. They told me that it was cheaper to replace the assembly. So I bought a kit on Amazon for $32. Locksmith was going to charge me $50 since I don't have the key to both of these locks. So please so let's go ahead and get off of that, Hayden. So let's do a little video on how to change this. So this latch assembly here I bought on Amazon, we're going to replace, looks like 4 screws that hold it together. Looks like Phillips, so let's see what we can do here. I got a
hey
Phillips.
Dad, can I Joe?
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Alright, so here, press the button.
I know, press the button.
Hold on, I'll tell you when. Press the button. Alright, stop.
Press screw.
Now, again. Stop. Stop.
Oh, I know.
Alright, this one you gotta be slow, okay?
Why?
Because I want to make sure I hold the back side of it. Hold on. Go ahead. Alright, stop. Hold that screw. Alright. So, here, Hayden, just put it down. Grab this right here, Hayden.
This?
No, grab this. Pull it. Pull that off. Oh, there's one piece. Alright, push this. Looks like we need to take these 2 screws off right here.
Hey, this is cool.
Yeah, alright, hold on.
I've seen this.
Hey, you gotta keep going. So now we're gonna take off the latching assembly. So take these 2 screws off. Hold on, I'll tell you when. Alright, go ahead. Too fast. Get a little crazy on me.
Didn't go too fast?
Alright, again, slow. Good. Go ahead, go. Stop. Grab that metal plate.
Wow.
Alright, hold on, leave it there.
That thing's gonna come off soon.
We probably didn't need to take that off, but let's see.
Like this?
Yep, grab that plate.
Something come onto it. Oh yeah, looking good.
Oh, there it is. Alright.
I think I caught that.
So, set it down. Watch out for the camera.
Oh.
Don't knock it over again.
Good thing I didn't knock that over.
So now, let's see what we gotta do to get this off.
Hi.
Hey, calm down. Hayden.
Hi, and bye. I like giving up on videos sometimes.
Hey,
Bye.
stop. All
Where's your
right.
flashlight?
So now I'm gonna put these other pieces on, and we should be done. Hayden, get me the screws. Give me the new screws, the 4 screws right here. Get me 4 of those screws, 4 of the long screws.
4 long screws?
Mm-hmm.
Here you got 1. Here you go, Dad.
Hold on. Hold on.
I'll hold it right in my pocket. I want a baby. I don't want a baby.
Give me the screws, Hayden. You got them?
Here's your 2.
Here. The long ones. What screws do we have there, buddy? Here, let me see. Oh. That other piece down here?
What other piece?
That piece that fell? Watch out. So we can put it all back together. Okay, you got the drill ready? Let's get the screwdriver. Get the screwdriver ready. Sorry, I don't need the drill yet.
Warm the drill up. Some action. Here's a cool.
So right now I'm just putting these screws in. Getting them ready.
Ready?
Alright, so now that we got everything here, let's go ahead and screw this on together. So Hayden, you want to go ahead and...
Do the drill?
You can do it, buddy. Okay, let's change the direction. Take the Phillips.
Is it supposed to be this way? Is it this one,
Hey,
Dad?
tighten this one right here first. I'll tell you when. Get on it.
I know when to stop.
Right there. Go ahead. Nope, nope. Easy, slow.
Slipped.
Yeah, that's why we gotta be slow. Stop. Let's go and do this bottom one down there.
I need to move this
No.
red thing.
No, this bottom one. Hayden, this one.
Oh, yeah.
Hold it straight.
Oh.
Alright?
Mama.
Stop.
Oh, Dad.
What? Oh no, you broke the screw off in it. That's, I guess, why you don't like kids do it.
Huh?
Take. Okay.
Huh? You got it? Almost.
Alright, I want you to screw everything together, okay?
How?
Come here, I'm gonna show you. Okay, you're gonna take this. I'm gonna get everything ready for you. Hayden, look. Take everything, righty-tighty, loosey-lefty.
Which way?
There you go, righty-tighty.
This way?
No, other way, righty-tighty, yeah.
Righty.
No, Henry, no.
Righty.
Come on, Hayden.
Righty.
Come on, keep it straight. Go, go, go. Nope, you gotta push in. Push and turn. Here, no. There you go. Go. Righty-tighty. Hey, careful.
Sounds hard.
It's okay, buddy. Righty-tighty, loosey-lefty. There. Alright guys, you see that's a 5-year-old changing the lock latch. So you can see he definitely can do it. Push, turn, righty-tighty. So if he can do it, y'all can do it. It's not that hard.
I'll watch it.
Alright guys, so as you seen, alright, so you see we got it all done here, a little darker than we expected. We had a couple issues. All done. Alright guys, well, that's all we have today. That's how you install a trailer lock. If you have any questions, give me a big thumbs up. And I do appreciate it. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to this video. Thank you. I'm Bryce with Bazinga Lawn Care, and this is
Hayden with Bazinga Lawn Care and Hannah with Bazinga Lawn Care. Hannah's right here.
Thank y'all. Y'all have a good one.
Hey! I did it! Yes! And